Alright, so let me teach you on how to add reward ads on your app. First of all, come to your AppCreator 24 and then click on this ads. Okay, scroll down to rewards. You see, this is the reward ads. You see there, reward ads. So now this is our ad mob. We will put our ad mob unit ID in this place. Okay, so let's go to mob. Let's come to add mob. I don't tell. So this is my sign up sub. I already created sign up sub, but if you don't know how to create it, click on here, create. You see add app. Click on this add app. Okay, and then click on the choose the platform. It's of course it's Android platform. Does it on any Play Store? No, it's not on any Play Store. Even though it's in a Play Store, don't accept yes, say no. So now app name, our app name should be, let me just say example, but in this case you put your own app name, not example. Okay, so after that you click on add. You click on add app. Now we have successfully added example. This is my app name. I choose example for sign up sub is my app name. So now let's click on done. In this case we have clicked it, we have done. So let's click on add unit. So let's select reward, this reward. Now let's select now in this area we'll type our app name, sorry, our ads name, add unit name as reward. Okay, so in this part, all this thing reading blah blah blah, don't click anything, just click on reward. Just click on reward, just click on create, I mean to say. So let's copy our SDK code. This is the code you go to your, first of all let's click on done. So now we are done creating our ads unit. So let's come back to AppCreator 24 and put the HT code, the ads unit code here. Okay, so let's click on save. So the next thing to do now in our AppCreator 24 is to click on section. So you see, mind you, if there's some section that ad will not show depending on how you integrate the section. So some section ads will not show based on how section like video, wallet, ad will not show. So come to a section that is private, a private section, such as all this profile or anything, something like, okay, let me come to this transaction page now. Let me put on transaction. Open the page you want users, for example now a page you want user to visit, to watch ad before visiting the page. You understand? So initially here will be it will be no. This request, it require watch video for ads. It will be no. You click on yes here now, and after that you now save. So let's go and see what you done so far in our app. Let me check our app now. This is our sign up app. Let me check if advert will show in that particular page I want users to pay. Sorry, let me click here. You see, to access this page, to access this content, it's necessary to watch ad, to watch video. You see, before users can access that page now, they will watch video to access it. That is the function of reward ad. So let me click OK. Okay, you see advert is showing in my own video app. Advert is showing. So that is how it is